Hey, hello everyone. Hope you're having a fantastic week so far. My name is Srinarayan, and I'm the Chief Operating Officer at Blu Banyan. I'd first like to thank you for signing up for this virtual workshop and extend to each and every one of you a warm welcome. Love to have a shout out to LNRG Technology for arranging this event. For those of you who are not familiar with NLRG, they are a technology company based in Israel, and they promote energy innovation. So we have an illustrious panel of experts to take on this extremely important topic of distributed solar performance and its financial applications. And it's my pleasure to introduce each and every one of them. I'd love to start with Jan Kraversky. So Jan is the CEO of Soltell Systems based in Israel. He's an energy tech specialist specializing in solar PV performance and analytic solutions. He's also a senior energy analyst with expertise in technology integration, energy systems design, engineering, and technology management solutions. So Leon has also served as the energy advisor to the Korean Ministry of Foreign Affairs in Israel. And something fun you need to know about Leon, he's been doing shortboard surfing ever since he has been in high school. Really cool. Next is Jan Rippingale. Jan is the founder and CEO of Blu Banyan, a leading technology player in the solar PV space. She has over 20 years of experience in the software industry and holds several technology patents. So Jan is a thought leader in the solar PV industry and is driving change with technology innovations and industry-wide data standardization. She holds a black belt in Kendo and has worked at NASA. And she loves scuba diving. And hold on for this, she's been shark diving with the chief of the shark village in Fiji. Way to go, Jan. Dr. Cliff Hansen. Cliff leads the research to improve solar power modeling and analysis methods at the Sandia National Laboratories. He currently develops and co-maintains the open source Orange Button and PVLib repositories. For those who don't know, PVLib Python provides a set of documented functions for simulating the performance of PV energy systems. Dr. Cliff has degrees in mathematics from the George Washington University, Northwestern University, and Brigham Young University. For non-mathematical diversions, Cliff repairs and restores classic automobiles. Stephanie, last but not least, Stephanie Johnson. Stephanie is the executive director of CHESA, an organization that represents the interest of manufacturers, installers, distributors, and component suppliers serving Maryland, the District of Columbia, Delaware, and Virginia. And Stephanie has an extensive policy and advocacy background. She worked for the Association of Corporate Counsel as manager of advocacy and public policy for several years, where she oversaw international, federal, and state advocacy initiatives, as well as developed policy strategies related to corporate compliance issues. And something interesting you got to know about Stephanie, she skipped 5.5 grades to go to college in middle school. Okay, so who is this for today? So, this is for anyone who is affiliated with the distributed solar PV industry. So if any one of these folks, you're in the right place. And what we have for you today, we're going to talk about the what, why, and how of this performance assessment technique. So we start with Leon. He's going to give a short presentation on what are the effective performance assessment techniques for decentralized PV, and it'll be followed by Jan, who's going to tell us why you need more accurate performance indicators for financial reports. And Dr. Cliff would then talk about how to reduce this data processing cost for distributed solar. Very, very important topics. And then we lead to the panel discussion on the financial future of distributed solar.